Michael down here. I literally just fed you like 30 minutes ago. Alright, good morning everybody. So I woke up at like 5:30 a.m. because of Michael with that face. And I had a fall blend coffee from Starbucks, which I'm still working on, and a pumpkin spice bagel, which is so good. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab my coffee and we're gonna start my day. I figured I'd vlog today since I'm like seem to be in a really motivated mood today. I just watched the Taylor Swift Look at What You Made Me Do video, and it always pumps me up. So and I did some studying. I didn't do a lot this morning because I did a ton yesterday, but I'm ready to go do my makeup. I'm gonna film some videos for you guys, and I finally got a package that I've been waiting on. So anyway, as I blab on, this is my Hong Kong mug. My parents used to live in Hong Kong with my two youngest brothers, so my mom's collected some Starbucks cups over the years. She also has one from China, so I don't know, but we're about to lose our good lighting. Let's see if I can get Michael. He's probably not even able to see. Where is he? Nope, can't see. But he's there. But yeah, so I'm gonna head upstairs with my coffee and start doing my makeup, cleaning my room, getting ready for the day. There he is. Hopefully I have a good angle here. I can't tell. I was worried that it was gonna be really hot. Okay, because I put it in the microwave. I'm like, did I put it in too long? And that was perfect. And I'm not even like feeling my best. Like I'm still struggling, but I'm like really trying to push through all of my health problems and just try to have life. So I'm gonna film today. I have one video that I have to film because I just got a package and that I've been waiting on to film. And then I have some other ideas. I actually have a million ideas, especially for Beauty Addict next door. I am just pumping out so many ideas for that channel. Oh my gosh, maybe you see Michael now. No, I mean, you can kind of see his shadow this time. Let's put on this light, because we want to see that face. Still can't really see the face. Want to come in here? Oh, look at my bud. It's a little water cup. So cute. Okay, the lights are coming on more in this bathroom. Yeah, see, the lights are on so much more. For some reason, the lights in here, they kind of like dim when you first come in, and then they slowly go on, which is kind of nice if you think about it in the morning. Like if you're just waking up, you don't want to have bright light immediately. So that's a benefit, I guess. But all right, so I gotta do my makeup. I gotta film a bunch of videos today. Hopefully get some of the important ones. I have so many ideas. I actually wrote them down all over my hand. As I was watching the Taylor Swift video, I was like, idea. So I probably should have wrote them somewhere else, but normally I write them on my phone, and the music video was playing on my phone, so it's like, let me just start writing on my hand. Yeah. Alright, I gotta work on getting ready. And I'm going to be using these products that I've been trying from Carbon Cocoa. Well, actually, that's for nighttime. I'm so bad at using this, guys. I'm not going to lie. So you use this in the morning, and then you use this in the morning and at night. But I'm, like, bad at using that at night. So, but I'm good at using this. Got to get better with that. Because I want to do possibly a review video for you guys down the road. But I do have them first impressions up on Beauty Addict next door. So that will be linked down below. Mind the mess, but yeah, I was studying this morning for my HR exam. So I can get certified in human resources. So I studied this morning for like half an hour. Yesterday I studied for like 3 hours. But I kind of wanted to get to filming today. So, you know, daylight is coming. And I am working on doing my makeup at the moment while I watch Taylor Swift music videos to motivate myself. So yeah, I cannot wait to film. Maybe I should put the lighting on. Alright, we can see a little bit better now. Hi, bud. You want to help open up the package from Elf? Yeah, my Snapchat fam has already seen this by the time that I post this vlog. Huh, bud? Oh my god, you're so cute. I can't handle it. Okay, gotta go find some scissors. Yeah, here are the liquid lipsticks that I received from Elf Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys know, but I won one of their September giveaways. And lucky for me, it was one of their liquid lipsticks, and I've been wanting to try them, and I just thought that they were perfect for fall. I don't know how I got so lucky to win these. So hopefully the formula is good and I end up liking them, because otherwise it's gonna be kind of a disappointment, but at least I'll be able to, you know, try them out for you guys so you guys can see if they're worth it or not. But yeah, I'm super excited because you guys know, if you follow me on Beauty Addict Next Door, you know how much I love liquid lipsticks. I was about to put on liquid lipstick and I just realized I'm about to film a lip swatch video, so I probably should not put on liquid lipstick right before that because I'm already going to be trying on like 7 liquid lipsticks, so. Whew! Okay, so got the lighting pretty much. I just gotta finish getting set up and then put on a cute top for the video and still keep my pajama bottoms. They're there. And yeah, and then film some more videos after that. See, this is me filming the close-up. Alright, so I finished doing the close-up shots of the lipsticks in the box and the lipsticks just on their own. So now I'm going to start filming the video. I'm so excited for this video. I haven't done lip swatches in a long time. They are kind of a pain in the butt, but I'm so excited to put this video. It's going to be so good. So I ran down for like the 15th time to reheat my coffee. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand when my hot coffee is cold. Like I just can't drink it. So I like reheat it like every 5 minutes. It's so frustrating. And I'm also waiting for my camera to charge up a little bit because it's getting a little bit low on battery. So I'm doing that while I have a snack. Having a Quaker bar. It's like one of the peanut butter ones. So yeah, so I'm gonna wait for that to charge a little bit and then I'll do my final 2 lipsticks that I'm swatching. I'm so excited. This one is in Red Vixen. So I got my little setup here. I'm watching The Secret Life as I'm waiting for my, wherever the thing is, to charge, for this battery to charge. I have my Quaker bar, the rest of my coffee, and my phone is charging. I was running really low on battery on my phone too. But yeah, you know, this is interesting. Very, very interesting. And the last one, I'm so excited to get to this last liquid lipstick because I'm getting a little tired. It's taking up a lot of battery, but the last one I'm going to go in with is Blackout. So hopefully this one's good because I always love a good black liquid lipstick, and especially if this color stays permanent, that would be amazing because then everyone can easily get a black lipstick without having to wait for like the holidays. Like ColourPop comes out with Blackout or Friday, every Black Friday, and you know, and it's also more affordable. So I'm trying to work. We shall see. I know, my room is so clean like it was in my old apartment. I really need to work on this. But yeah, this is charging. It's actually orange. It looks like it's lime green, like it's fully charged, but no, it is actually orange. Oh, let's get this done, people. We got this. I had to charge my camera again. Alright. Oh my gosh. I only have to do the last part of this though, and then I will be done with this video and I can have lunch and then start filming more videos later. Oh my gosh, I'm at 37%. I need to charge this camera. Alright, so I just finished filming my video. I'm so excited that I got that done and I'm going to get that up soon. It'll already be up by the time this vlog goes up, but yeah, I'm really excited. Really, really excited about it. I'm glad that I really thought I was never going to get that package. I thought it was never going to come. Alright, let's look at Michael. Where is he? Where'd he go? Is he blending in with a bag? Oh. Phone, you're ruining a cute moment. Oh. Alright, now I gotta get these swatches off of my arms and clean up this room and then get some lunch and then I will film a little bit more. Maybe. This took me longer than I thought. I am done eating now. Just watching Netflix, gonna catch up on some stuff. But I'm all snuggled up in bed that I just made, of course, you know. Still got some cleaning to do. Ah, there's so much to do. Hey, my love. Look at how cute. Hi. Can I get a yawn? Squeak? Nothing? Oh, hi. Look at that face. Alright, I am downstairs in the kitchen because I am working on my downstairs office. I have a bed office and I have a downstairs office in the kitchen because I'm going to finish editing for my Beauty Vlogger 101 video tonight. I'm getting so sidetracked on other things. I'm like, I really got to film that. And then I just heated up some coffee and whatnot. I'm going to have a snack. And then we got Michael down here. I literally just fed you like 30 minutes ago. What? So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. Maybe keep vlogging. I don't know how interesting this really is. I'm not even going anywhere. And of course, the times that I go places, I don't want to take out my camera because I'm like with my mom and she's gonna think that I'm crazy, or it'll be like, what are you doing? Alright, so my laptop was about to die because my charger's upstairs, so I just gotta clean up my dishes and then I'm gonna go upstairs and finish editing. Ooh, I gotta get a lot done.
Post twice a week for Beauty Vlogger 101 and twice a week for Beauty Addict next door. And that would create a daily upload. That means 7 videos a week. So, because I really do love YouTube. It's just a huge passion of mine. I just don't want to overwhelm myself.
Every time I get up, the pillows just fall to the ground. It's like, keep it together. It's like the back of my desk chair keeps falling off. Isn't that annoying, bud? Love your face. As you can see, it's starting to get dark. It's a little lighter over here. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog for tonight because the sun's going down. I want to have good lighting when I say goodbye. Nothing else really interesting is going on. My mom's making taco lasagna, so I'm going to have taco lasagna tonight. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to experiment with that or not. It's probably a bad idea. I don't know. But I may experiment with taco lasagna. That's what's so exciting about today is the taco lasagna. Yep. You guys are so entertained. I'm gonna go. All right. Thank you guys. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Click that little bell so you're notified of when my videos have been posted. Like this video if you did like it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Alright, so I've gotten a lot of stuff set up for filming today. I've done my makeup for the most part. I still have to put on false lashes and my lippies and an eyeliner, but I want to do that after I put on the lashes. But the main thing is that my hair is taking forever to dry and then I have to curl it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm like pretty much all ready to go, but I have to wait on my hair. So, I mean, I have some more things that I can do, but I'm just like, I want to get the hair done.